Resident Evil 5.
Like, bro, your fucking pistol, right? Your handgun has 100-round capacity. Why do you need to carry around 50 extra rounds when you know you're gonna pick stuff up?
Mind your business.
Your machine gun has fucking 80 capacity. If you're using it in short bursts.
Mind your business. You play how you want to play. I'm gonna play how I want to play. Don't try to control me.
I'm not trying to control you. I'm trying to give you advice. Player on the hard.
This is why I'm all-time Chris, cause you don't know what you're talking about.
Don't run that meme into the ground.
I don't think you know Hawkwind too well.
True.
Bro, where did this man learn how to fucking pilot the little fucking Florida buggy?
Is that what surprised you with Chris?
I met him again
He is all-American.
Since then, we've been trying to track him down.
Damn, Jill's always looking like a snack, bro.
The whereabouts of
Lee Spencer. You and this, like this, just makes her look like, yeah, kind of, yeah.
Bro, you got bad taste.
Jill in this uniform
doesn't look any particular like amounts of interesting.
In this uniform, looks like she's gonna like arrest you for walking your dog in a running part of time.
Or she's going to arrest you for bird watching, and then scream and say that you are attacking her as a Negro.
Bro, this nigga Wesker, bro.
Bro, the movie version of this is so embarrassing. The Paul W.S. Anderson version.
Yeah.
Isn't the Paul W.S. Anderson version just like both of them get their fucking asses kicked while
and then Alice comes in
Alice comes in like one-shots them?
Yeah, it's just embarrassing.
It's the most fucking fan-fiction-y bullshit.
It also has like no sense of weight in the movie.
Oh yeah, because there's no reason for it to be happening, right?
Yeah, they just referenced this scene.
Oh, no, it's not this scene. It's the one with Christian Sheva when he throws the sunglasses.
If it's a reference to both of them.
I just want to point that she got some fucking air on that, dude.
She's also pretty fucking fast. She's moving like
Jill!
Jill's body was never found and she was presumed dead.
Why am I surprised?
The person I saw in that data looked
Man,
like
Chris right there in that fucking thing looks so much like a Gears of War character, it's ridiculous.
True.
we were partners.
Rowdy Rhyme. We were partners.
You joined the BSAA.
Then again, Sheva in this looks like I've never seen Sheva look this white.
Her tits are huge.
This is the most white. Like I made the joke earlier about Sheva fucking looking like not like a black person, but this is like the most white I've seen Sheva.
I think it's this costume.
It's the costume.
No, it's 100% the costume. It's just it makes her like look significantly white.
It makes her look like Michael Jacksita.
So you joined the BSAA.
Michael Jacksita.
There's only so much one.
Bro, is she wearing fucking lace panties, dude? Come on, dog. This game
She
is
also
rated
got
M.
on the fucking fishnets too.
Yeah.
But together.
I'm no
Like this is pure fetish gear for both
Then
characters.
let's make a stand for our fallen brothers.
Nah, I think the other Chris outfit is fucking gay, dude.
The fucking zebra print?
No, not the zebra one. The one where this nigga got the fucking like fake
the
Fist
leather
of the North
club
Star
shit?
shit on, bro. Nah, bro. Chris, bad luck with my nigga Chris.
Where can we find the letter? You know exactly why. You got niggas out here, the bar dudes.
Alright, finally a real level. We can. Oh my. Where's my health? Why am I dying?
Whoa. Now this is the level that probably... The reason why there's this, like, really racist filter on it... Not racist filter. The reason why there's this really fucking saturated filter is that the enemies you fight in this game would be too fucking...
Dark.
Yeah.
Black.
Yeah. The corpse of a BSA agent. Such a tragedy. I don't care about that shit.
Bro. I'm fucking dying, dude. I got internal bleeding.
Don't worry. If you
And
get
you know
hit,
that ain't doing any better because that man Chris got to eat like 800 million calories a minute.
if you get hit, don't worry. I'll just. I need to drive. No, you don't get to drive. I get to drive for once. I'm driving Mr. Daisy.
All time Chris don't let females drive.
He's just standing there, just rubbing his stomach. Me hungry.
My God. Could you imagine getting stranded at some shit like this? Couldn't do it. As soon as I see the huts, bro, I'm just gonna fucking put a bullet in my fucking brain, dude.
That's not an option. What if you're there to like visit some ancestral family?
They will smell the fucking Big Mac on your fucking breath and kill you, dude.
Alright. If you want to drive, you got 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You're a piece of garbage, bro.
Don't
Hold
do
on.
it. There's a chance that the game will not play and fucking actually have you kill him.
This dragging off.
No, it's the RPG. I will take it since you have no room.
The guy got. Okay. Alright, bro.
What do you have? You have 1 slot. Did you forget that when you pick up RPGs, they're 1-use items? Did you forget that?
Okay.
It's
Irrelevant.
It's not the infinite ammo rocket launcher.
Not every game can have the fucking infinite ammo rocket launchers.
No, don't go there. We came from there. Go to one of the
What
X's.
is the map? How you turn the map on?
R1.
There we go.
It's such a masterpiece of. Oh no, hold on. Back up. Alright, stop moving. Alright.
Oh, collectible.
Yes.
A delectable.
Delicious. Imagine being the one fucking
Hold
tribal.
on.
Yeah, we can get golden eggs from here. Or we can farm eggs, rather.
Come on, you
Sayonara,
gotta have
chicken.
something funny.
Say goodbye, chicken. PETA is fucking.
That's what you fucking get. It's exactly what you get.
Ah, there we go. No eggs? Fuck, dude. I'm fucking passing out over here, man. About to go into fucking cardiac arrest.
Called survival horror.
There's 2 eggs right here.
Finally. Bro, it's no fucking eggs. Give me one.
Come on!
Give me one, takes both. Yeah, you need both.
That's fucking manly.
Gotta get the protein.
Just cracks them open.
Just without blinking. Oh, it's
Eats
another one
eats
right
the
here?
shell too. Fucking throws the whole thing in.
Oh, there's a chicken. Come here, buddy.
Bro, how you gonna call this little nigga buddy when you just slaughtered his entire bloodline?
And then killed him.
Ah, he didn't deserve it. He didn't deserve to live alone. Just go straight across. Okay. You remember what this one is, right?
You already know.
Now, see, if this was a Tecmo Koei game, she would have a dripping costume.
True. Well, maybe her boots. No, they're always that shiny.
Yeah, she's got those fucking. Nah, I'm not even gonna say that.
Why were they just waiting?
Why are they? They hitting the fucking nip ups? Like, what's going on?
Bro, these are like two African.
Yo, they fucking hitting the nip ups and shit. Like, I can't get over that.
They had to make them ashy or else it would be really racist.
Would that be more racist? I think that their idea was, okay, we put Sheva in the game, guys. Come on.
I need ammo.
Combine that shit.
Bro, I'm already doing it.
Why did you pick? Bro, give me the handgun ammo, please.
Bro, next time you give me an order about something I'm already doing.
That wasn't that was not an order. That was a request.
Throwing you over the fucking bridge, bro.
Good grip. That was a request.
Why do I hear enemies?
There's enemies in there. Mean spirited.
Wrong side, bro.
Stop giving me orders about stuff we already know. Oh, there's a ruby here.
A ruby? You mean a bad series made by Rooster Teeth?
Yes. I can't believe they're still going, huh?
At least until someone shuts them down.
Wait.
Bitch, fuck you. Can I get my shotgun ammo back?
I need ammo.
What the fuck? Oh, I didn't mean to, but I guess I'll take it. She just gets out with the shit in her hand. Why are you using that shotgun, anyway? Don't you have the tri-horn one?
It's cooler.
No, it's not. It's weaker.
Looks cooler. Has
Well,
the pump.
Upgrade the capacity. That's just a suggestion. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but it's probably
You
be
know,
better.
one of the things is I noticed when looking at Sheva, like in her businessy costume, the one that she wears sometimes, she really does look a lot like Lisa. So I understand why Felix always thought that Lisa was black.
Bro, what the fuck animal head is those?
What?
What?
Well, you broke them now, but...
That one? That's a gazelle.
No, it was some heads right here on the fucking thing where the brains are now.
Humans?
No, those most definitely were not humans.
Well, how would you know? How many times have you
What do
seen
you call
humans
this one?
before?
It's
That's
not-
what that. It looked like that. Why does it have a fucking like horned mandibles, bro? What is that?
Probably some kind of weird Raccoon City monster that escaped. I don't fucking know.
You don't know
I don't
black
know
people
what
have
that's for.
different skull shapes? Oh no.
Okay, Darwin.
Golden egg over here.
I will take it since I don't think you have any inventory space. Golden eggs are laid from
Probably
black
worth
chickens.
something. What?
So golden eggs are laid from black chickens. Where are all the bad guys?
They're gonna appear as soon as we get the thing.
The doohickey.
No, not this one. Don't get this one yet. Get the other one first. Don't open it. Don't open it. Do not open it yet. Let's get this one first.
Okay, Bamba Tule.
And now all of the fucking enemies.
Get those niggas with the spears first.
Yeah, I was about to say, they look dangerous.
Jeez.
Hell.
Chris! Yeah!
Right behind you.
Yeah! Oh,
shit.
Oh.
Damn. His neck was in hell, but his back was in heaven.
True. Uh-oh.
Damn.
Jesus, that thrust!
You just turn around and see Chris punch through both shields with one hand.
Oh!
Oh shit, you almost died.
Oh my god! Just back up, I got it. Don't waste ammo.
Bro, hurry, hurry.
Alright, got it. Yeah! Oh!
Combo! Stop it!
Oh!
Y'all need to leave these men alone. Stop it! This new combo.
Ow.
My bad.
Did Sheva kick him in the back of the head? Why y'all bullying this man? Stop it.
They asked for it.
Come on!
That went better than expected.
You say until the sea monster shows up.
Ah!
When the sea monster shows up, guess what happens?
Hey, little buddy,
mean-
you got away.
Come on with
Checkpoint.
you.
Oh, based.
I need ammo.
Wonder if any of those chickens are infected with the virus.
I can't give you.
Yeah, just go. Yeah, go to the next. Actually, go to the thing so we can get a checkpoint there. Oh my god. Oh! No. No way. No possible way.
Bro, how the fuck did these niggas build this shit?
Don't worry about
They
it.
have their own African Torquil.
I like how they have their own electrical lines going. Oh, are those electrical lines?
Nah, that's just like
Oh.
rope
Pulleys.
holding up the, yeah.
They have electricity traveling through the ropes.
I need ammo.
Thanks, partner.
Come on! Wait! Go! Thanks.
Don't tell me to go. You
Come on!
racist. We're off on an adventure.
Resident Evil: The Adventures of Sheva and Chris.
Bro, I couldn't even live in like just so much fucking water, dude. It's not like an ocean, it's like a dirty ass marsh. This is terrifying. Legitimately terrifying.
I
I'm
mean,
just
just
scared
be
of everything
grateful.
that isn't America.
Bro, how the fuck did they make these sharp ass sticks and put them in the water like that?
Well, listen. In places like this, there's usually a wet season where it's flooded like this, and there's a dry season where it's not, and they build it during the dry season.
That and it's like you end up with probably nothing else to do all day.
Yeah, you don't
It's
got
like
internet.
it's like either this or fucking hunt.
The most entertaining thing in these people's lives is when Umbrella came and infected them. Yikes. Can you imagine? Haha.
They should have had like, if they were gonna do this, they should have had like Forrest Whitaker play Last King of Scotland
No.
as a boss.
True.
That would have been an interesting turn.
A fish.
It's like Last King of Scotland, but he has Wesker powers.
Can't do that.
I'm fucking writing this shit up to Capcom, telling them what to do next time. I was about to say, why'd the one guy just jump down and think he was gonna fucking, like, save the day?
Chris!
Yeah, Felix, you're just leaving this man to die.
No, I'm providing protection.
Everyone is watching your coward gameplay.
My hero gameplay. Oh!
Behind you, bro. Relax.
Wow, how did he just go through the ceiling?
Ah!
Bro, we're in trouble.
You
You're
might be
in trouble.
Yeah. Whoa! Oof. Camera. Watch your back. Wow.
Watch your back, nigga.
Dude, these guys, I think they spawn infinitely until we get the thing. Twist kick. Oh, I was wrong. Luckily, I never die.
Did you get another egg?
Attack.
What even is that Chris supposed to be? Just looks like a cross between like Guts and a fucking Gears of War character.
It's just heavy armor.
The name
Gotta
of
be
it is...
prepared when you about to go into the heart of fucking Africa. Gotta go fight Wesker. Gotta go box a nigga from the Matrix.
You gotta be prepared. Meanwhile, Sheva dyes her skin lighter, puts on a different costume, puts on some fucking fishnets.
Yeah, I love how Chris, like... Switch. I love how Chris...
Switch.
Yes, I got a rifle. Move us. But not too much.
Bro, they shooting at us. You gotta
Not
do
too
some
much! I can't shoot when you, Move that much. Just move if you see we're gonna get hit.
But why am I the only one taking damage?
I can't.
Bro, these niggas are shooting at us.
Okay,
dog. You
okay,
gotta do
I'm just
better than
saying.
that.
It's called affirmative action, Chris.
What machinery is this?
What are you talking about? You don't have a dead man switch for all of your locks in your house?
Not my wooden contraptions. Oh my god.
Contraptions you have in your house. Can't you just run those guys over?
Yeah,
You
but
would
they're
think so.
shooting fucking arrows at you.
Oh shit, I thought you were gonna ramp it. And then just fling Sheva off to her death.
We did it, Chris. We saved the day.
We did it, Chris. We saved all of Africa.
Took care of that little African problem. You mean
Turns and looks at Sheva.
you mean the Ouroboros problem, right? Yeah. Haha.
Albert Wesker.
Saving.
What a nerd.
Alright,
This is
here
the next
comes-
part of the level, so if you want to keep going, just keep going.
This is the hardest part of this level.
It's the most fun part of this level. What the fuck was... What's...
I'm getting shot at from above.
Tell me I didn't see that. I didn't see what direction it should
Up
be.
in the tower.
Yeah. Oh wow, look at that, how convenient. It's just,
Look at all those groundhog holes. Oh no, they're not groundhog holes?
Oh! We all live in our fucking... Ah!
That's what you get for singing the fucking Pokemon song all of a sudden. What are you doing?
I wanna be the greatest master of them all.
I don't think you're gonna be dead if you keep this up. Might wanna move.
I'm good. Another dead man switch.
Again,
hear-
don't you just have dead man switches on all of your wooden contraptions?
I hear Swahili. The most offensive language of them all.
Oh shit, it's Big Tunga.
Again, like, what is this guy? What happened with him? Oh,
He was just a big dig.
damn.
Let's get him together. Ah, fuck. Chris!
Hawk is about to be fucking dead. Would this be a wise idea?
Yeah. Chris!
Come on.
Did you get Big Tunga?
Yeah.
Damn.
He used his fucking RPG.
Yeah. You want to use one of your heals? Wait.
You use the green herb you got.
I'll use the full herb. I thought that you had both. I thought you had two, but I remember that you used one. Oh yeah. Gotta solve an environmental puzzle. So I gotta go down there.
Yes, you do.
Investigate.
Bro, where are you going?
Let's go get some gold.
You idiot.
What the fuck?
You
Come on,
idiot.
come on, come on.
He's not making it to you in
I'm
time.
not gonna make it, bro. Chris is too
Run!
big. I'm running, bro. You're too big.
What the
What?
fuck? What
Why
killed
did you kill
me?
yourself?
I didn't kill myself. I picked up a fucking thing. Where's the other
Bro,
one? Is
can
the
you
other
use your
one?
RPG?
I want to
Oh
get
my
both of them.
god. You can die.
Just shoot him from up there.
They're both here. They're both here. Hurry, 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 hurry.
Bro.
Damn,
Relax.
bro.
Fucking
Relax,
vaporize
bro.
them. Oh, hang on, that motherfucker with the spear. Just running in. Ah! Large white king dominates puny African men in front of beautiful African queen.
Dude, with the camera?
Right.
Did you see the camera? Oh
Yeah,
my
right up her
God.
fucking hole.
Alright, Hawkwing. Alright, right. Before you go up there.
Don't do this again.
Felix, you are retarded.
This is literally what you fell for last time. Just
I'm
don't
not.
do it.
I'm
It's
going
not
around.
worth it.
That's why I'm going around. Relax. Don't pick up the Magnum ammo here.
That's what killed Felix right here.
Yes.
Yeah, the gold.
Bro, you're dumb. Don't. Bro, I'm not healing you. I'm not healing you. Get it. Fucking monkey,
You
dude.
can't fool me twice. What are you talking about? You cannot fool me twice.
Didn't you just get shot in the back with a shotgun?
Maybe I could have some handgun ammo, maybe.
Hell no.
Shit, I shouldn't have used it. Damn it!
Why did you just use that?
So I could pick up the red.
Felix! I could've.
Hawkwing.
Bro, you making me mad, dog.
Hawkwing. I'm trying to tell you the red is more valuable than the green, double green.
I could have made a green red
No, you can't.
if I gave you my shotgun ammo.
You don't have any
picked it up.
greens. You don't have any.
But you just chose the green!
I had a double green from like fucking 5 minutes ago. Do you understand that? That's why I did that. I had a double green. That's why.
Was that really a double green Nakoma?
What? How else would it heal us both to full? God, you should try to find an excuse to get mad, dog.
Don't project.
That can't be your only
Get a
comeback.
fucking grip.
Like, that can't be your only comeback.
You stay
Not a
down there.
comeback, it's the truth. So I'll stay down here.
Yeah, I'll
Alright.
do this thing.
Just the image of Hawk just constantly running.
will open.
Oh, it's a snake down here. I'm gonna shoot this nigga.
Maybe you should let Felix in.
Come on.
Ooh, a brown egg?
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
You already have a brown egg. She's waiting for you up on behind the one door.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Thanks.
Okay.
Thanks.
Come on.
Roger.
Damn. You just kicked the door open to that man's face.
Alright, both of our inventories are full, so we're gonna have to do some management. Bro, get rid of the egg.
Just the one egg that's sitting there. Chris just wanted a little top off.
Alright, here's exchange for
I
that.
need a herb.
Come on.
Isn't this the part where you regale us with your incredible tales of how you've beaten this game like 900 times and you know all the tricks?
Felix hadn't even beaten this game once.
What are you talking about? I haven't beaten Veteran.
Well, show us one of those really cool tricks that you do in games like this, Felix. Stop hitting that man!
I don't play with disrespectful motherfuckers like this. Like this.
I feel like there's something we're forgetting. Bro, how the fuck did these African niggas make elevators?
Do you think they just got no technology in Africa whatsoever?
Nigga, it's elevators!
So?
This isn't like a city, bro. This is...
You
this is
think they can't
fucking-
make this in Africa?
I think in tribal Africa, never seen a fucking television. It might be kind of far-fetched for them to make this.
Hey, look, you guys got Sack.
Sack. Hey, Sack. Alright, that's enough of this bullshit, dog. Never again.
Sack a sack. What do you mean never again?